Be, Charlie. We should find out shortly. For a tropical night, it means that temperatures don't fall lower than 20 Celsius. Now, that may have happened, for example, in parts of Wales last night. We're yet to have the figures in. They should be in shortly, and they will be confirmed later on by the Met Office whether we have had a tropical night or not, and how it compares with previous nights. But the heat wave does continue. Some of us are already in heat wave conditions. The next few days, temperatures are still going to be 30 degrees or a bit higher than that for some parts, but for other parts it's going to cool down. Now, where we've got the low cloud mist and fog, that's where temperatures are suppressed. But the forecast for the next few days is certainly the September heat wave is continuing. The low cloud mist and fog that we have this morning is draped across parts of eastern and central Scotland as well as northeast England. Now, very slowly through the course of the day, what you'll find is that will burn back to the coast, but some of it could linger in spots. The other thing, we've seen some heavy showers overnight across Pembrokeshire, for example, and through today we'll have some showers moving up through the Irish Sea and later in the day getting into western Scotland. But in between, we're looking at a lot of dry, sunny and warm conditions with temperatures widely the mid to the high 20s, locally the low 30s in the southeast. Now, through this evening and overnight, we see the return of that low cloud mist and fog across eastern and central parts of Scotland, northeast England. The showers move away from the far north of Scotland. There'll be some clear skies, but it's going to be another muggy one. Another one uncomfortable for sleeping in, with overnight lows between 12 and 17 degrees. Tomorrow, the low cloud mist and fog once again pushes back towards the east coast, a lot of it burning away. We'll see further showers coming in from the southwest, drifting a little bit further north in the west. But in between, again, a lot of dry, sunny and warm or very warm weather. And again in the southeast, we could hit 32 degrees. But it looks very much like the highest temperature in the next few days will be on Saturday, when somewhere in the southeast could well reach 33 Celsius. To put that into context, at this time of year, at the beginning of September, the average temperature in the southeast is nowhere near 33, it's closer to 21.
Carol, thank you very much, and we'll check in, of course, throughout the morning and see, as Carol's explaining there.